What's up with birds flying thousands of miles every year? Let's find out what keeps them on the move. Birds migrate for one big reason: survival. When winter rolls in, food gets scarce and temperatures drop. So birds chase the sun, flying to warmer places where insects and seeds are still plentiful. It's not just about food though. Some birds travel to find safe spots to raise their chicks, far away from hungry predators. And get this, tiny hummingbirds can fly non-stop for up to 18 hours, crossing the Gulf of Mexico in one go. But how do they know where to go? Scientists believe birds use everything from the sun and stars to Earth's magnetic field and even smells to navigate. Migration is risky. Storms, predators, and exhaustion are constant threats. But those journeys, they're essential for the survival of many species. So next time you see a flock flying overhead, remember, you're witnessing one of nature's most epic road trips.